Hey darlings, welcome to Simply Zaylene. Today is hydration therapy. We're gonna need your towel and K18 and a steamer, a brush, and these clippies. All right, so we're gonna be talking about hydration and moisture. So as you can see, I'm gonna be hydrating with water. But there's a great difference. The K18 in products is considered moisture. You know, as you can see, oh, my hair is loving it. So I start doing it throughout my entire hair and detangling as well. And you see it that the curls are forming. This is a form of moisture, ladies and gents. And now we're gonna start with the hydration therapy. So once the steamer is steaming, you just literally just go in and part sections so each section gets a little bit of steam. And then while you're at it, do a facial, darlings. Yes. I decided to do more moisture and I did this cream, which is so good and it smells great. And I started putting it all around my hair and brushing through just to make sure that all my strands are nice and moisturized. By this time, between the steam and the lotion, my hair is butter, guys. Butter. And I am loving it, and so are my curls. You know what time it is? It's diffusing time. So it's volume, 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 darling. Yes. And once you are done, then obviously I like to kind of put a little shine with my Rizzo family product, the serum. And I put it right in my hand, warm it up with my hands, and start styling. Yes, darlings. I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you next time. Mwah! Smooches, darlings, and I hope that you follow, be kind, and stay fabulous.